everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you various red color kurti designs with different shades and the contrast color dupattas to match it with. So if you got bored wearing the same plain red kurti, then you can try to pair it with different types of dupattas, whether it's Banarsi or chiffon, anything, and can create a new getup with the same old kurti. So continue watching to know the combinations of dupattas and kurtis.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.